we have our 2021 Hit Parade Entertainment Limited Series 2. It's case 7. Let's get it going. All right. Box 7. 23. 48. 66. 86. 16. 35. 57. 78. 91. All right, here we go. Seven. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, Danny, you have 57, 78, 7, and 16. Then Ray G 23, Phil N 48. Danny, you also have 35. Larry M with 86. Danny with 91, and Nathan R 66. Oh, there's all kinds of crazy stuff in this. Let's see here. Oh, you know what, guys? You know what you should... I'm trying to think. What is coming through the pipelines? I know Tony's working on a few new cards. He's got a Harry Potter card, a Stranger Things card, Walking Dead card, sets that will all be coming out. You also want to take a look in your packs in the middle here, because... a little Baywatch action. There are bonus little hits in here. You got Indiana Jones, some American Idol, He-Man, but check it out. We got a Tamara Johansson Stargate Relic. This was box 86. I don't think I said who this was. Larry, this is your box. Sorry about that, my friend. All right, 86, yep. So yeah, New card lines coming down the pipeline. Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, Walking Dead, Stranger Things. And this is an Ian White auto. From Game of Thrones. And that was yours, Larry. But whenever you're doing these, you always want to look in the middle packs because there can be bonus things hidden inside of them. Box 91. That's Danny C., one of your first boxes here. Also, there are hot boxes with more than one hit in them. All different types of stuff to look for. Jurassic Park. Caspa. Big Sexy. Guess Who? Xena. Oh, look at that. Baywatch. Or not Baywatch. 90210. Garfield. Pokemon. So there's all kinds of stuff in these entertainment ones. I mean, who thought I was going to be looking at a Baywatch card or a 90210 card? I certainly did not. All right, Wayne Alexander, a Babylon 5 on-card auto. But wait, you've got another auto. You've also got Jim Beaver as Lawson from Breaking Bad. So it's one of those double hit boxes with 2. You're guaranteed 1 auto. Next up is 66. That's Nathan R. This is your box. There's some really cool. We have the movie posters. There's all kinds of entertainment products that are out or coming out. American Idol. Ooh, we got a relic. What do we got here? Ooh, Demolition Man. Dr. Leonard McCoy. Star Trek 5. And that's out of 1701. Authentic. Is it screen worn? Does it say costume material? That's what they're calling it. Simpsons. Ah, there is G.I. Joe and He-Man. Nice hit right here. Natalie Dormer from Game of Thrones. Good get right there. Oh, okay. Hit Parade boxes. I will restate that. So Hit Parade, just like all of these boxes that we've been opening, the Star Wars, and we've got James Bond coming down the pipeline and everything. Hit Parade cards, the entertainment cards, are going to be putting out a Lord of the Rings line, a Stranger Things line, a Walking Dead line, and a Harry Potter line. 48 of 100. All coming out through Hit Parade. But yeah, you got to take a look. You go to Dave and Adams Card World or dacardworld.com. Go to the Hit Parade tab. There's so many different. They got these cards, comics, pops. There's mystery boxes. There's just a plethora of items that you could pick from entertainment style. There's Lord of the Rings right there. T. A little Heritage Indiana Jones, Phantom, Billy Zane action, and the Scorpion King. The Rock. The worst CGI ever in the history of anything in Mummy 2. We've got a BJ Tanner, Orville Auto. I caught your ear with Lord of the Rings. Yep. Soon. I don't know exactly when, but there is going to be a Lord of the Rings line coming out via Hit Parade card. Castle, Seamus Deaver. Nathan Fillion show right there. All right, next up, 78. Danny C. The Crow. Phantom. Little Fox. Ooh, Nemesis Enforcer. Dragon Ball Z. There we go. Got Teresa Auto. This is from the Americana 2015 Panini Americana. And what do we got here? Amy Richardson, Game of Thrones Auto. So as you can see, we got bonus autograph boxes. Sometimes there's relics in these little packs here. 57. Danny, another box for you. What's your favorite show? You got a favorite TV show?
I don't know. I don't really watch too much TV.
No? All right.
I mean, I wanted to start watching Breaking Bad.
Tomb Raider. Just never got into it. How about a movie? You got any favorite movies?
Definitely Star Wars. I actually like The Truman Show quite a bit.
All right.
Solid movie.
Mike Vogel, Under the Dome. Guys, congratulations, you pulled a hit. It's not this auto. Holy smokes. How about a Tom Holland? Legends Never Die. Auto. Just happened. Right here. You watch any of the Marvel movies?
I do. Once they come out, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man auto right there.
That's pretty sweet.
Tom Holland, Avengers Endgame. Hard to pull in a box straight from Upper Deck. The autos are, let alone getting it here. I mean, come on now. There you go. Danny C. Getting one of the hits of the run right there. Tom Holland auto. Good stuff right there. Love to see it.
It's a biggie.
23 of 100. You can take a look at it if you want closer. Ray G. It's awesome. Look at that. Serpentor right on the top. This is my box right here. Lord of the Rings. Little SpongeBob SquarePants action. Hercules. Hollywood Hogan. We've got Bruce Boxleitner, Babylon 5 auto. And your other autograph is a Casey Sander, Big Bang Theory. 2 on-card autos for you right there. $35. Danny C again. Garfield. There can only be one. Highlander. We got a Star Trek Enterprise from the Archives relic. Little Disney Pixar card, The Mask, Bad Boys, Garfield sticker. And we have a Jennifer Spence Continuum auto on card. All right, Dan, you have the last 2 boxes as well. This is box 7. Ooh. What we got here? Nice. Outer Limits. Phantom. Oh, Fantasia. Oh, there we go. How about a Walker relic? It's probably season 4. Is it part 1 or part 2? Doesn't say. I think it's part 2. Authentic wardrobe piece from Walker, Walking Dead. X-Files. And we have Emilio Rivera, Sons of Anarchy. Seasons 1 through 3. That auto is from. I think they did 1 through 3, 4, 5, and then a 6 and 7 set on that. Box 16, last one here for Danny. Saturn. Some more Xena. We got a Beverly Crusher, the Woman of Star Trek relic. More Casper the Friendly Ghost. Nefertiti from The Mummy. And your, oh, sweet. How about a Robert Patrick Psych auto? Dude, take a look if you got a chance. Look at the Psych checklist. So it's seasons 1 through 4 and then 5 and 6 or something. There's 2 different seasons of cards of Psych. The checklist is crazy. They got a lot of cool people that signed it. Robert Patrick right there on card. All kinds of stuff, man. You got Terminator, Walking Dead, Lost. All right. X-Files. There we go. Now let's do the random. We are giving away this cool card. So I have a Hollywood Histories, Dual Materials, Real Stars out of 99, Prominent Cuts Upper Deck, and it is Tom Hanks from Forrest Gump and Robert Redford from An Unfinished Life. Let's see who gets that. Ten times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Danny C. Probably not that big of a shock since he bought 6 spots in the break, but it's yours. Dual Relic, also yours. Robert Redford and Tom Hanks. Dual Relic. All right. Actually, let's see. What was his box 16? Just going to pop it right in here. All right.